Hello everyone, today's story is A Cloud of Trash. Author Karanjeet Kaur. Illustrator Bhavna Vyas Viparthi. Publisher Pratham Books. A level 2 story. Chiku was the unhappiest girl among her friends. She was certainly the unhappiest girl in her entire class. She was perhaps the unhappiest girl in the world. Friends. Chiku had no friends anymore. No one wanted to play with Chiku because she had a cloud hanging over her head, a cloud of trash. Orange peels and biscuit packets, broken toys and pencil shavings, twisted plastic bottles and colorful plastic bags, all surrounded by a swarm of buzzing flies. No one wanted to play with a girl who had a cloud trash hanging over her. What if a rotten banana peel fell on her head? Yuck! Chiku couldn't even play hide and seek anymore. The cloud would always give her away. Let's walk to school together, she said to Sona. Sona ran off in the opposite direction. May I borrow your pencil sharpener? She asked Sweetie. Sweetie made a face and changed her seat to go sit with Asha. Chiku even had to eat her lunch alone. Chiku knew that she should have listened to her Amma. Amma always told her not to litter. Don't throw the banana peel on the road. Throw the empty biscuit packet in the dustbin. But Chiku never listened. She only laughed and kept littering. Then one day, Amma became very angry. Soon all this trash will start following you, she said. Chiku just laughed. The next morning, Chiku woke up to a foul smell and the sound of buzzing flies. The cloud of trash was hanging over her head. Amma's words had come true. And then Chiku was unable to laugh. Look at the cloud of trash over her head. Chiku tried to run away, but the trash cloud followed her everywhere. Chiku took a broom to sweep the cloud down, but the trash could not be swept away. Chiku tried everything. She screamed and asked the cloud to leave her alone. She even tried throwing the cloud into the dustbin, but the cloud of trash just wouldn't go. So Chiku became very unhappy. Then something happened. Chiku saw Bala throwing a banana peel on the road. Chiku was annoyed. Could he not see the cloud over her head? "Oh, silly boy," she yelled. "Don't throw the peel on the road. Someone will slip." Bala, scared of the trash cloud, threw the peel in the dustbin. The next day, the trash cloud had become smaller. How did that happen? Chiku wondered. Then Chiku saw Rima auntie throwing away plastic bags. "Auntie," Chiku said, "please pick up these bags and reuse them." Rima auntie picked up the bags and left. The next day, when Chiku woke up, the cloud was much smaller. Chiku smiled. She knew what she had to do. When someone threw away a biscuit packet, or pencil shavings, Chiku stopped them. She picked up every twisted plastic bottle and put it in the dustbin. The village became cleaner and cleaner, and Chiku's cloud became smaller and smaller. Until one day it was gone, completely gone. Chiku was now perhaps the happiest girl in the world. Chiku never littered again. Secretly, she liked living in a clean village. But she was also scared that the trash cloud would come back someday. Who knew? Look at this clean place. Everybody is so happy. And there is no litter all around. Let's talk about trash. Ever wondered what happened to trash once you throw it away? No, it doesn't become a cloud on your head. The trash ends up in a big garbage bin near your home. When you litter, the trash collects by the side of the road. Some of it goes into the drains that carry wastewater from your house. This clogs the drains and attracts flies which spread nasty diseases. Ooh, nobody likes living in a dirty environment, asked Chiku. Here is how not to make a cloud of trash. We can start by not littering our surroundings. Always throw waste into a dustbin. Look around for the nearest one. After you eat a banana, don't throw it on the road. Put the peel in a small bag until you find a dustbin. There are many things that you may think are useless, like the paper bag into which you can put the peel. But not everything is waste. So, don't throw the bag with the peel. Take it home and reuse it. Cover dustbins so that flies can't get inside. And this is how you can save the surroundings by making them clean. Thank you so much.